Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to deposit Naira in your Stake account. First of all, you have to make sure your account is verified, as you can see right here in the screenshot. So that's the first thing you need to do before you can actually deposit. Once you are done with that, you click on this deposit icon at the top. It's going to give you this option. One is to deposit, the other one is to buy crypto. Just click on deposit. So when you click on local currency, you're going to see Nigerian Naira. What you have to do is to click on the deposit. You're going to bring out an option to deposit via OPay. You click on OPay, and what you have to do is to select the amount. You can also do bank transfer if you don't have OPay. But I'm going to use OPay as an example in this video. So if you want to use OPay, you click on OPay and select the minimum amount you want to deposit. It's going to open a window for you, or let me say a new tab like this. So what you have to do is to input the number which you use to register your OPay account. Don't worry, it is actually safe. The next thing you have to do is to input the password of your OPay account. Click on next. As you can see right here, it's going to tell you to pay. It's detecting the money in my own wallet. So right now I'm going to click on pay. An OTP will be sent to you. I have received the OTP. I will now copy the OTP and paste it here. Click on pay now. Successful. As you can see right here, 1,000 Naira has been successfully deposited. So that's how you fund your account with Naira. So if you want to use the second method, bank transfer, it's almost the same thing. You click on deposit. Now instead of OPay, if you don't have an OPay account, you can use bank transfer. They're still going to open a window for you, but they're going to give you a generated account number which we are going to send the money to. So what you have to do is to copy this account number. When you copy this account number, you go to your OPay or whatever bank you are using, paste the account number. You're going to see it, Wema Bank PLC. As you can see right there, the name has popped up. You can confirm the name. You can see the name here. So what you have to do is to send the exact amount which you have selected on Stake. That's what you have to do, and send it. So when you do that, your account will be deposited on Stake. So that's how you deposit Naira on Stake. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.